Welcome to Sift, a modern people directory that allows everyone to navigate the people side of your organization. Our deep, customizable profiles, powerful search, and a dynamic org chart allows everyone at your organization to finally have a single place to learn about their colleagues. Sift is now available in Microsoft Teams and brings critical people details into the Microsoft Teams app to enrich collaboration and organizational understanding. There are many ways that people at your organization can use Sift within Teams, but we'll be taking you through how Levy, a VP of marketing at a global company, uses Sift to find the critical information he needs to get his job done. Meet Levy, the VP of marketing at a global software company. He wants to launch a website promoting a new product, and he needs to meet with the lead engineer, Giffer Morales, who will be handling front-end development for the website build. The catch? They work across the country from each other and have never worked together before. Levy needs to launch this site soon and needs to be able to work with this development lead quickly and effectively. So, he decides to use Sift to learn more about him before the meeting. Levy searches for Giffer Morales at the top of the Microsoft's Teams bar and clicks on Giffer's profile. He can now see Giffer's completely customizable profile that highlights information like his title, skills, contact info, and number of reports. With just a few clicks, he can now learn about Giffer. He can listen to an audio clip to learn how to pronounce his name, determine where he is located, and see what time zone he is in. He can also discover relevant skills that Giffer possesses, like Perl and PHP. Further down, he can learn the languages that Giffer speaks, his interests, and his education. Perfect information to find commonalities and break the ice during their first meeting. Levy can also easily access the org chart from Giffer's profile. There he can get an idea of his team and who else may be working on the project. With all the vital information he needs, Levy goes ahead and schedules a meeting with Giffer. After a successful first meeting between Levy and Giffer, where they connect over a shared love for golf, they determine their next step, finding a graphic designer. Levy is tasked with finding a graphic designer within the company to help with creating initial wireframes of the new website. So Levy goes to Sift and does a quick search for experts in graphic design, which pulls up 17 results. There are 17 people with this skill, so Levy decides to filter down the results to the product management team to find people who have experience with new product launches. He further refines his search by adding skills criteria, Adobe Suite and marketing. Levy sees there are 2 people that match his search. Now he has the option to reach out individually or group message both and see who is able to help him. He decides on Claiborne Innerstone, reaches out, and hears back in minutes. Now that Claiborne is on board, Levy wants him to be able to understand more about the developer who he will be working with. So he shoots a direct message within the Teams chat to Claiborne with Giffer's profile card. He is then able to see Giffer's profile or explore an org chart and understand more about who is on Giffer's team. In the span of a day, with just 2 simple searches, Levy is able to find and engage the people he needs to get the new website started. Sift enables your organization to effortlessly leverage the power of your people, forge new connections, and ultimately drive your business forward. To learn more about how your organization can use Sift or benefit from Sift, visit the link